Ah, shit! It's Pat shit. We're with Patrick.
Better known as DS.
Autistic. Getting some pizza for today.
What kind of pizza we getting?
Just Pizza Hut. Stuff that they have in Jersey. Nothing good. Captain Swift. Going to the creek.
For when I got my place.
We go to the beach, you guys go to the creek.
Yep. Of course, dude. This is country living right here.
No beaches, so we go to the creek. Is it cold? Yeah? Dancing?
I'm gonna go back.
Going back?
Yep.
Come on. What, you gonna climb up there? Jesus. What the heck? Where are you going?
I'm up top now.
What?
Yep.
Where the cars drive?
Yep.
Oh my god. Like Spider-Man.
Where the fuck am I going from this? I ain't going nowhere after this.
You gotta come towards me and then climb through this one.
Yeah.
How close are they to the top though?
We used to be able to get all the way over to the middle.
Yeah, we need to weigh 200 pounds.
Right.
You got a breath?
Just a little bit. I was going to climb to the top, but they've added new cameras.
Oh, I was hoping you were gonna fall. I could record and skip a rock. Oh, I got like 3. You having fun?
Yes. It's a nice day.
It's a nice day. Dancing?
Be careful.
Miles,
Don't get too crazy.
see the dance.
Dance.
Yeah. Hot dog.
Dance. Dance. Yeah.
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 Where you going, bud? So we tried going to Mathison State Park in Illinois, and it was closed. The other state park closed thanks to COVID. So we're checking out this mall, they call it. It's not a mall. Let's see. Peru Mall. Before the Rona, this movie theater was open. Now it's closed. No more AMC. This is crazy. There's nothing here. This is their mall. This is wild. Jeez. Jeez. Abandoned mall. That's why I feel like we're in an abandoned mall.
Well, this side's closed right now because it doesn't have power.
Oh, it's just because of the power?
Yeah.
But there's still nothing in here.
I think they're using that as storage for like the vendors because they're not out there.
Kickboxing.
That's actually open. It opens at a different time.
This.
That one.
No jewelry. Ain't getting no jewelry today.
Not for your no special someone. Claire's open if
Oh.
you want to get your ears pierced though.
We got Claire's. This mall is so cool though, let me tell you. So much to do. Riding the roller coaster.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. Here we go down. We're gonna go down. Hands up. It's like you're at Six Flags, right? Whoa!
There's a big one. There's a big one.
Hands up. Ah!
This is
Shit. Whoa.
You got more quarters?
No more quarters. Sorry. You getting a massage?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tickles? Yeah?
I'm so puppy. I'm gonna man.
Boost Mobile. I didn't even know this was still around. Haunted house in the mall. That's pretty cool. I wish it was open. I'll go in it.
Over here. Over here.
Insanity. If you're ever in Peru, Illinois, tell me if this is ever open, if it's actually scary. And that's the whole mall right there. Peru Mall. Peru Mall in Peru, Illinois. So tell me if you ever come here. It's right here at the end. A haunted house. I want to know about that. Advertise where America really shops. I don't think anyone's shopping here. Mouse. Oh no, he missed it.
You know, he's not a catcher.
Oh my god. This is what you could do in a mall with no one in it. Just bounce a ball. Woo! Here you go. Well, that's what a small town mall looks like. Nothing in it. Everything's just shut down. I swear, it was like being in an abandoned mall. It was crazy. So let's go find out what else we could do in this boring town. Preacher left us, by the way, too. I don't even know. He had to drop his kid off. He just dipped. Just left. So I'm hanging out with Patrick. See what else we could do today. There you go. Is that fun? Look, there's a slide.
I know. I'm gonna go slide it.
Careful. Skipping a step. There you go. Whoa!
No, not again! Not again! No! Look at me out.
Whoa, like gymnastics over here.
Yeah.
Whoa! How old is this graveyard?
Either late 1800s or early 1900s, I think. But we can look at the dates on the stones. It's Lithuanian Liberty Cemetery.
Okay.
And then that's the Mathison Mausoleum, and that's like the most haunted part of this. They say that like if you touch the door, it'll be warm,
Touch the door, it'll be warm.
and then you can. There's like spiritual energies there.
That got pushed over and rolled a wrinkle. And I had
Yeah, last time we were here.
scratches on with that.
Yeah, and we were kind of like mocking it almost to freak out my stepson, and then I fell down and rolled my ankle right after doing that.
They also say sometimes at night
yeah,
you can hear
night-
knocking from the inside.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't feel warm.
But it's like
1920.
plastered over.
Is it warm?
No. No. Still warm.
We looked this up, it's probably like
This is
5-6 years.
1889, 1956.
a bottle.
Is this a grave right here?
Yeah.
So if I stepped on it, that'd be disrespectful.
That's your call.
Alright, I won't step on it.
I've come here and I've disrespected shit and I got my ankle rolled. So
Oh jeez.
it still hurts. And that was almost a year ago. I mean, I didn't push anything over. I was just kind of mocking it, you know, like, oh, it's so scary.
1882, 1936. What the fuck was that though? Gee. I told you just to hold her.
Well, when I think of a cemetery, I think of a huge thing.
Yeah.
Oh look. This one fell over. Thought I saw someone peeking out from over here.
What is that thing?
I think it's just a spider web.
No, but what is that?
It's a it's the Mathison Mausoleum. So they, instead of being buried in the ground, those people got buried in that crypt. This mausoleum sits inside a small graveyard called the Lithuanian Liberty Cemetery. Locals tell the story of the Hatchet Man, a frightening ghost who likes to guard the cemetery. The door to the mausoleum is said to stay warm, even though it has been sealed since the 1960s, when vandals stole a skull from it. In Rosemary Ellen Gully's The Complete Vampire Companion, she tells about the pale, thin apparition seen here at night. According to the book, after hearing about the sightings, a reporter poured holy water into the mausoleum's vent, which is what you saw, and consequently heard an eerie groaning sound coming from the crypt. Please note, this area is known to be patrolled by police.
No, it's not. It's hard here than it's soft.
It feels hot towards the top.
Yeah, it feels
Kinda.
hot. It feels
It's
hot
not
on
too
the
hot.
carpet. But like a little hot. It's hot here and it's cold down here.
Look, there's a hole down there. Watch out.
The hammer.
They're gonna come for you. They're gonna come get you.
Why do you use the camera?
Because I post videos on YouTube.
Oh, so you say a YouTube vlogger?
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering why you had a camera for like.
Someone knocked this one over too. 1906 to 1926.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's not nice, right? Someone knocked it over. This is pretty cool. It's like all the cars and the characters. Lightning McQueen and Toe Mater. That's cool. Get the chicken.
I can't in them. Baby one. I know. And I get off the tree. Get off the tree.
Get the baby ones. You can get the baby one.
I know.
Oh, get it. He's fast.
I got two. I got one too.
You got one.
Yeah.
Caught him.
Oh, the goat! Look at him.
Oh, you got some in there?
Take it. No. No, what the heck? I can do it. Oh, but that way goes in. I could lock the door because
Chicken on the table.
What?
He was on the table.
Oh,
Look.
I got baby.
Like this?
Yep.
Oh, that's not working. I'm not doing it.
Rich.
The rich being
Pedophile
president
ring.
and lower.
Yeah. The rich pedophile ring. The elite pedophile ring.
The people in charge of this country and Hollywood.
All right, so that does it from Illinois.
Yeah.
Preacher's not here. Of course, he ditched us so many times. But we hung out with his friends. We got Chris. We have Beth here. And her husband.
And thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Yeah, you have to like the video and subscribe. But this is our second video from Illinois.
Thumbs up.
We're going to go to our second location. Our next location. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Peace out.
Bye. Alright, man. I'll see you, man. Daniel. Love you, man.
Love you too, brother.
Bye, Beth.
Bye. Thanks for coming.
See you, Chris.
Dude, take it easy. Jersey?
Thank you, man. I appreciate you guys' hospitality. We'll see you guys, alright?
We'll see ya.